So you're thinking about buying a pre-built gaming PC, maybe from Best Buy, NZXT, or some custom PC builder online. Before you click buy now, let me show you some stuff no one tells you about these systems, especially if you want your PC to last more than a couple years. Pre-builts are tempting. You get a shiny case, RGB fans, and a decent specs on paper. You get a Ryzen 7 8700F, a RTX 4060 Ti, a keyboard and mouse, and cool RGB fans. It all sounds great. But what's really inside the case is what matters. And I've seen firsthand work on these systems for clients, there are often some serious red flags. The most common thing I see are cheap internal parts, especially motherboards and power supplies. I'm talking no-name power supplies with no efficiency ratings, poor voltage regulation, and sketchy reliability. These power every part of your PC, and if they fail, they can take other components with them. The motherboards, they often basic OEM boards with limited VRMs, no heatsinks, or only 2 RAM slots. No upgrade path at all. And the worst part, you won't see these on the product page. They don't list the exact models, just vague specs. I've opened pre-builds that looked great from the outside, but inside the GPU was sagging, the power supply was loud and hot, the motherboard didn't even support future CPU upgrades. Some systems even had loose connections or fans installed backwards. One customer PC failed after 18 months, all because of a low-end power supply. So if you're going to buy a pre-built, here's what to look for. Ask for the exact motherboard model and check if it supports future upgrades. Check the power supply brand and ratings. Look for 80 plus bronze or better from reliable brands like Corsair, Seasonic, or EVGA. Look for good quality airflow and room for expansion for AIOs or anything else you would like to do with the case. And if they don't list the exact parts, that's a red flag. At that point, just build your own PC or go with the high quality custom builder who uses high quality parts and name brand parts, like what I do at Tax and Tech with my clients. So yeah, pre-builds aren't always bad, but you got to know what you're buying. The case might look clean, the GPU might sound impressive, but if the motherboard and power supply are low end, your PC lifespan drops fast. I've seen it myself. System brought in after a year or two, already failing because of cheap parts. No one warned the buyer about that. If you're spending over $1,000 on a PC, you deserve better. You always ask for the exact parts, not just the flashy specs. And if this helped you out, hit that like button. And it tells YouTube this content matters. Subscribe if you want honest PC repair content, smart build tips, and tech that actually lasts. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll try to get to them where I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.